To download Google Chrome on a Mac, start by opening the Safari browser, which is the default browser on Macs, including iMacs, MacBooks, and MacBook Airs. This can be done by clicking on the Safari icon or by hitting the Command and spacebar on your keyboard, then searching for Safari in the Spotlight search. Once Safari is open, type Google Chrome in the search bar and select the first option that appears, which will take you to the official Google Chrome website. From there, click on Download Chrome, and if prompted, allow downloads from google.com. The Google Chrome installation file will be saved to your Downloads folder. Open the Downloads folder and select the Google Chrome.dmg file, which will open the installation file. To install Google Chrome, simply drag the Google Chrome icon into your Applications folder. This may take a few seconds to complete. Once installed, you can close the installation file and open Google Chrome by searching for it in the Spotlight search. When you first open Google Chrome, you may receive a warning about the app being downloaded from the internet, but you can safely select Open to proceed. You will then have the option to set Google Chrome as your default browser and to share some information with Google to keep the app updated. After selecting your preferences, click Start Google Chrome to begin using the browser. With these steps, you should now have Google Chrome successfully downloaded and installed on your Mac.